Hi fam, Linda here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I revamp my client's wig. This is a wig she bought from me 5 years ago. This was one of the first hairs that I sold to her. I'm grateful that till this very day, she's still a returning customer, referring people to me and still using my services aside from buying hair extensions from me. I'm truly grateful for supportive friends and supportive clients. Let's get into washing and restyling this hair. As I showed you earlier, you can see that some parts of the lace are torn because this lace is an old lace. It's been over 5 years, so definitely it's due for a replacement, but the cost of closures are not really allowing her to spend on changing the lace. So I'm going to fix the lace in this tutorial. And right here, I'm trying to detangle the hairs that were sort of tangled around the up part of the wig. And after I am done with detangling the wig, I'm going to proceed to the next step, which is washing the wig. But let's ensure that we take our time to detangle the hair completely. I started combing from the down part and I took it all the way to the up part of the wig to ensure that there is a minimal shedding. Next, I'm going to start wetting the hair with water. You can see right here that I'm using tap water, and this is room temperature water. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's just room temperature water. And I'm going to be using the Tresemme shampoo, the Clean and Replenish shampoo from Tresemme. I'm going to pour the shampoo all over the hair while the hair is wet and massage the shampoo into the hair and use that shampoo to sort of start scrubbing the hair. You're going to see that the hair is not so dirty, but it is dirty. You're going to see that the foam is going to turn a little bit brownish. That's because the shampoo is going to take off all the dirt that are trapped in the hair. And I'm going to really try and massage the hair real well, and also massage inside of the wig cap area to ensure that I really get to wash the cap and any of the stains on the cap from dust, makeup, oils really comes off from the wig. And after I did the first wash, I'm rinsing it off right now. And I'm going to rinse it off a bit more and to go back in and add a little more shampoo to wash it for the second time after rinsing it off completely, because I'm trying to ensure that any dirt on the wig is completely stripped off, is washed out completely, and the wig is as good as new. It's very fresh and clean. That's the reason why I'm going to wash it for a second time. Okay, next, I've completely rinsed it off. I'm applying my shampoo again, and it's the same shampoo I used earlier, which is the Tresemme Clean and Replenish shampoo. I applied it all over the hair from the up part, which is like the closure area, the up part where the wefts are, and I started taking it down towards the lower part of the wig where the weft is. That's where I'm really trying to wash. Aside from washing the tip of the hair and the other part of the hair, I'm really trying to put a lot of attention on the part of the wig that stays on her head. And I'm massaging the shampoo into the hair and rubbing the hair gently. And I'm going to start rinsing the hair off again for the second time while I'm still massaging the shampoo into the wefts. It's very important that you wash your wigs very well, but try to be gentle while you're washing it so you're not tangling the hair in the process of trying to strip off the dirt that is trapped in a wig. So right now I'm doing the final rinse after the shampooing process, because I can see right here that the wig is completely clean right now and it doesn't need any more washing. What it just needs is to be rinsed, the shampoo to be rinsed off, and we proceed to the next step, which is going to be applying our conditioner on the wig. The wig is completely clean now. There's no more shampoo on it. I'm literally squeezing out the water on the wig. You can see it's really clean right now. Next, I'm going to use the Tresemme conditioner as well, and this is the conditioner in Silky and Smooth. It's a frizz control conditioner, so it's going to give me the slickest, softest hair ever. So I'm just emptying the container of that conditioner all over the wig, and I'm literally going to pour water into the remaining conditioner, shake it shake it and pour the entire thing that is left all over the wig. You can see right now I'm still struggling to bring out the product, but don't worry, later on you see the product gushing out from the container because I added water to it and I poured the entire thing all over the wig to ensure that the wig is well conditioned. Like, just try and ensure that you lather the wig, the product, because these are the products that are going to return moisture back to the hair and ensure that your wig is healthy and smooth. Like, don't be stingy with the product. Moisturize the hair really well. Yes. Okay, you can see even the back of, like, the back side of the wig, I'm even ensuring that I have a lot of product right there and every strand of the hair really gets the conditioner. And I'm using my hairbrush right here to just brush through the hair to even further distribute the conditioner more all over the hair. The conditioner is still on the hair right now, but here what I want to do is apply this keratin treatment to the hair. And it's sort of like a deep conditioner, but this helps to ensure that the hair gets softer and more silky. This is what the content of the keratin treatment looks like. I'm going to apply it generously all over the hair from the up part down towards the tip of the hair and brush it with my hairbrush. After detangling the hair with my hairbrush, I'm going to go back into the keratin treatment. I apply a little bit more of it on the tips of the hair that were really dry. You can see the wig looks really moisturized now. The hairs look very healthy and shiny and really nice. I'm going to proceed to the next step of using heat on the hair, and I'm putting the hair in a microwave for about 2 minutes. And you can see this is the hair after I brought it out of the microwave. It's steaming hot. The product has really gone into the hair and it's time for me to rinse off the wig. While I'm rinsing off the wig, I'm still just using my hairbrush to brush through the hair. This brushing it is not really necessary, but I'm using my hairbrush to just brush through the hair to rinse it off completely before I proceed to air drying the hair. But this is the hair right now. It's completely clean and detangled. The lace is still torn, but I'm going to fix that after we have dried the hair. So this is the hair here. I just put it on my balcony to air dry. Next, I use my nylon thread to fix up the parts of the lace that was torn. I didn't really do a very good job here, but it's still better than leaving it how it was torn up. So this is the wig right here. I'm about to start styling it, and I'm using my Moroccan Argan Oil Serum. I'm going to apply the Moroccan Argan Oil Serum to my palm and massage it into the hair from the up part towards the tip of the hair. And take note, the ends of this hair is really dry, so it needs a lot of moisture. Remember when I showed you how the wig was at the beginning part of the video, you saw how crispy and dry the ends of the hair were, and that was because my client hasn't been moisturizing our wig. So I needed to ensure that I applied a lot of moisture to this wig before I style it and send it back to her to ensure that this wig still lasts her for another 5 years. Probably we may have to change the closure at some point for it to last her up to like 10 years or even 20 years or more. But I love the fact that this quality of this hair is amazing, and even despite the fact that she hasn't really been managing her hair really well, the hair is still really nice. So right here, I'm sectioning off the up part of the wig. I want to start styling the hair. I noticed there was a part of the weft that had unraveled. I'm using my needle and thread to secure that area that had unraveled to ensure that the entire weft is securely sewn. When you're revamping wig, be on the lookout for part of the wig that may have unraveled, so you can secure that area back by sewing it securely with your needle and thread or with your sewing machine, whichever of the sewing tools you have. After securing the parts that had unraveled, I'm going to proceed to styling the wig. So apply your heat protectant spray, any heat protectant spray you have. Apply your Argan Oil Serum all over the hair and reach out for your hair straightener and start straightening the hair. You can work in small sections, and you can use a comb to comb through the small section of the hair that you cut out and straighten with your hair straightener. Work in small sections and keep on going from the up part of the hair towards the tip of the hair, from the left side towards the right side or from the right side towards the left side, whichever one you want to start with. There's no cut out rule on how you must style your hair. Just go with what's flow any way you want to flow. The most important thing is ensuring that the final result comes out looking really nice and the hair is as beautiful as you want it to be. Applying my argan oil serum to this part of the hair. I'm going to also spray my heat protectant spray and use my hair straightener to straighten the hair from the up part down towards the tip of the hair. After working with that section of the hair, I'm going to reach out for the other side to start working on another section of the hair. I'm just going to take out the hair and clip up the other part of the hair that we've not started working with. We are working in very small sections here. I'm going to apply my argan oil serum on this area here where I haven't styled, and also reach out for my heat protectant spray after applying the argan oil serum to the hair. Just spray the heat protectant spray all over the hair, come through the hair, and use your hair straightener to straighten the hair from the top to the tip, from the top of the weft to the tip of the weft, and you move it from one side to another side, from the top to the tip, from the top down to the tip. You move it from the top to the tip, you come through, move from the top down towards the tip of the hair. Towards the closure area, we want to just cut the hair in a small section and clip off this other side of the closure area and the weft. And I'm going to comb through the hair and start straightening it. Don't forget, I already applied serum to the upper part of the hair when I applied serum earlier. And of course, use your heat protectant spray and walk through the hair with your hair straightener, and comb through the hair while you straighten it to ensure that you get the straightest hair you can have. Anywhere there's tension or any sort of frizziness, you use your hair straightener to straighten it out completely, and you can proceed to straighten other parts of the wig. Right here, we're about to finish off the entire styling of the wig because we've straightened the entire hair. What we're going to do next is we want to flatten the hair on the closure area, and you're going to need your hair wax to do this. I'm applying the hair wax to the hair on the closure area and sort of flipping it backwards and applying it to the hair on the back side, combing through the hair. And this time around, I'm going to use my coiling wand to sort of flatten the hair on the closure area. I will not use my hair straightener because my hair straightener can't really sweep across the upper part of the hair, but my coiling wand can do that for me. So I'm going to use the coiling wand, as you can see right here, to just apply heat directly on the hair on the closure area and take it downwards towards the lower upper part of the wig to ensure that the hair is flat and is lean, silk and straight. Don't even know if that's a word. But just ensure the hair on the closure area lays very flat, that there are no standing hairs, there are no flyaway hairs. Everything lays down and it's sleek and the wig is beautiful. When you finish doing on one side, repeat it on the other side to ensure that the final look of the wig is as beautiful as it was when it was new. As I said, this wig is 5 years old wig, and it still looks as healthy, as fresh as it did when it was new. The only problem it has is the closure area, which I managed to fix up a bit, but at some point definitely she'll have to change her closure, because for this hair, she can still use this hair for another 15 years. She can still use this hair for another 20 years, so long as she maintains this bow, because the hair is really, really nice. I'm really grateful for all of my subscribers on YouTube who reach out to me to buy from my hair company, ENO Beauty Hair on Instagram, buy from my website as well. I'm just grateful for all of the people that are supporting me, because of course YouTube doesn't pay me enough for me to live off of, because some months I don't earn from YouTube. So, and even when I earn from YouTube, it's not something I can live off of. So I'm just grateful for my hair business and the people who support me by buying hair extensions from me, buying wigs from me, because man, you guys are my bread and butter, and I'm super grateful. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do not forget to thumbs up this video and share with your friends are also going to get value out of it. I'm super grateful for all of you who support me on my journey, and I wish you the very best in whatever it is you do. Also, check out my ebooks on my website, how to start your hair business, hair extensions, and how to test its quality. Also available on my website, my makeup products, my wigs. Support me in any way you can. I would really appreciate your support. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and any parts in this video that you don't understand, just leave a question in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, because right now I do everything on my own. I work on my hair business on my own, I create my content on my own, but I'll just work on getting back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.